Hello everyone and happy Friday. Before we share my analysis from these last few days, please remember that neither I nor the SIMETRI team from Crypto Briefing are licensed financial advisors. What we provide is not a personalised investment advice. It is merely our opinions based on our various research and diligence. As always, do your own research before making any decisions about buying or selling crypto.
So overall, the key downside level to watch at the moment is 19,000 US dollars. The monthly pivot point is very easy to locate. It's at 22,500. The current weekly pivot point is basically 20,000. If I were to give upside targets from here, 22.5 and 24,000, just near-term upside targets if the market were to reverse. If we start to see the daily candle closing below 19,000, that would be a bearish signal for me. So let's move to the Bitcoin charts now, and let's get back to the PI cycle indicator. So it started to flash its first cycle bottom since, like I said, around 2019. So this is a time to really watch out for a reversal in Bitcoin. I think it's important to have a look and see what other clues are on the charts. So you can see right as that signal is coming, you can see we're pretty much trading around the former all-time high. And this is really an important rebound spot. So we're either going to fall into a much lower price range or we're going to stage a very, very strong rebound from here. The fact that this is holding up quite well at the moment is a good sign. And if we can get above the 200-week moving average, I think we could make a lot of progress to the upside in Bitcoin. The only thing that's keeping me worried at the moment is this head and shoulders pattern. It still hasn't reached its target yet of 16,500. Maybe that comes later on in the year. We don't know yet, but if we were to break under maybe 19,000 and head towards 18,000, it's still an achievable target before we see a rebound. But I think more interestingly here, again, is the potential Wyckoff pattern that could be forming. So if that does start to form, maybe we get another new low, another minor new low in the market, maybe 16,500 comes and then we rebound, or maybe we just bounce from here. So overall, the PI cycle bottom signal is significant and we should really pay attention to it due to its previous accuracy. Failure to make a new low should be watched carefully in case we see the Wyckoff schematic 2 start to play. A drop below 19,000 could cause a significant decline, especially due to the fact that the bearish head and shoulders pattern still hasn't met its full target of 16,500. Overall, I would suggest keeping an eye on the Wyckoff patterns in the next couple of days into determining whether we get a higher low or whether we get a new low and then we get a very, very sharp reversal coming into focus. In terms of Ethereum, is very interesting as well. Ethereum is giving a PI cycle bottom signal. Also, that's important to watch over the coming days, especially if we get a rebound in Bitcoin. Ethereum is likely to follow as well. Other interesting things to note for Ethereum is that unlike Bitcoin, its head and shoulders pattern target has already been reached. So maybe we can see some consolidation before Ethereum starts to lift off here. Also, it's a very similar patterns that we're seeing across Ethereum and similar to Bitcoin. It looks like it's going to form a potential Wyckoff, i.e. we're going to start to move higher from here, or we're going to make a spectacular new low and then reverse. So overall, Ethereum is also starting to flash a PI bottom cycle signal now. The head and shoulders pattern has been reached, unlike Bitcoin. I am seeing some MACD divergences present as well, up to around 1,500. A rebound could certainly happen if the Wyckoff pattern plays, so watch out for that for Ethereum.
And thank you. I hope you found my thoughts helpful. If you'd like more, please click the subscribe button for Pro BTC Trader and join me every week on Wednesdays for our live trading war room and daily email updates.